Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya, and today we are going to discuss some more topics that based on linear equation in one variable. In last videos we already discussed about the basic of linear equation, as well as we have discussed a method through which we find out the solution of the linear equation, which was simultaneous operation method on both sides. And today the topic that we are going to discuss is named as transposition method. Is known as transposition method. From the name it is clear that transposition means in order to solve the problem we use an idea in which we shall transfer the quantity to either side of the equation through equality. So let us see what happened in the transposition method. In this method, whenever any quantity in this method, whenever any quantity transfer to either side of the equal, its sign, that is the operation, become reverse. If any quantity having the sign of plus, so when the quantity which having the sign plus transfer to either side of equal become reverse and we get negative sign. Similarly, if any quantity possesses negative sign and transfer to either side of equal become reversed as plus sign. Similarly, division converted into multiply and multiply converted to division when such phenomenon takes place. Okay, student? So, this is the basic rule through which we carried out the solution of the equation using the transposition method. So, let's start through an example. Just suppose that a question 3x plus 4 is equal to 13 is a given linear equation, and we have to find out the solution of this linear equation. We use transposition method. In this method we have to isolate the variable by transferring the quantity. Here we transfer the constant quantity one side of the equal and the variable quantity other side to equal. So here first we transfer 4 to the right side, because in the right side there is no variable quantity, so it is too easy to separate the variable. So we can write 3x is equal to 30, and when 4 transfer to right hand side, 4 consists positive sign, that is the plus. So when it transposes to right side, the sign of plus become reversed and it become minus 4. Okay, now we solve it. We get 3x is equal to 13 minus 4 is 9. In the next step, 3 multiplied with x. Therefore, 3 is the constant and so x is the variable. So when constant transferred to right side becomes divided, and here we get x is equal to 9 upon 3. Now solve it. 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. Then we get x equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is the right answer. So, in this way, we can find out the solution of the linear equation using transposition method. Okay, students. So, I hope it is clear. Let's see one more question. The next question is x upon 3 plus 4 is equal to x upon 4 plus 8. This is the given linear equation and we have to find out its solution using transposition method. So first of all, we shall transpose the variable quantity to left side and the constant quantity to right side. Therefore, here we transfer 4 to right side and x upon 4 to left side. So we get x upon 3. X upon 4 is positive. So when transposed to the left side of equal, it becomes minus. So here we write minus x by 4 is equal to 8. 4 is positive. So when it goes to right side, it becomes negative, and here we get minus 4. Okay. In the next step, here we can see that x upon 3 minus x upon 4 is two fraction that is to be subtracted. So we subtract here and we get 4x minus 3x upon 12, and here we get 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Again we get 4x minus 3x is equal to x upon 12, which is equal to 4. Okay. Here we can see that 12 is divided with x. Therefore, when we transfer 12 to right side, become multiplied, and we get x is equal to 4 multiplied by 12, and this is equal to x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 48 is the required solution of the given linear equation. So, this is the transposition method, and in this way we can find out the solution of the linear equation. Okay, so I hope it is also clear. Now the two main methods has been discussed here, through which we shall find out the solution of the linear equation. Now we shall discuss some more questions that based on these two methods, through which we shall find out the solution of the linear equation. So let us see some more questions. The first question is, solve and check by substitution if your answer is correct. Solve and check out your answer. Hello. Solve and check out your answer. The first question is given that 2x minus 9 is equal to 11. 2x minus 9 is equal to 11 is the given, and there is no any instruction given that which method should be used here. So in this case, if you get the question in this way that there is no any instruction is given which method should be used here, then you are free to solve the problem using any method that you know. So here I would like to prefer the transposition method, but I suggest you that when you start practice at your home, then please use the both method, that is the simultaneous operation method as well as the transposition method with every question. Okay, that will help you to keep practice with the both method. So let us see its solution. Since in this equation we can see that 9 is subtracted from 2x. Therefore, when minus 9 will transfer to right side, the sign of minus become reversed and we get plus 9. So in the next step we write 2x equal to 11 plus 9. Again in the next step, 2 is multiplied with x. Therefore, when 2 transfer to right side, become divided and we get x is equal to 20 upon 2. Now solve 2 1 are 2 and 2 10 are 20. So we get the result as x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 will be the required solution. But the question is not completed here, as the question says that check out your answer also. Therefore, we have to check out the answer by substituting the value of x that we get here as x is equal to 10. So now substitute x is equal to 10 in our original question. So here we write 2 multiplied by 10 minus 9 equal to 11. So this implies 20 minus 9 equal to 11. Here we get 20 minus 9, 11, which is equal to 11. This implies left hand side equal to right hand side, which proves that our solution is correct. So student, whenever you check the answer and if you get left hand side is equal to right hand side, then your answer will be always right. But if left hand side does not equal to right hand side, then your answer will not be correct. So keep it in the mind and keep doing the question. Let's see one more question. Here, the question is given that x upon 3 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay, now let's start. Here, 6 is added with x upon 3. Therefore, when we transfer 6 to right side, become negative and we get x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 9 minus 6. Now let's solve it. So we get x upon 3 is equal to 1 minus 54 upon 9. Since 1 upon 9 minus 6 upon 1 are two fractions that are to be subtracted. So here we get like this. Again in the next step we get x upon 3 equal to minus 53 upon 9, and here we get in the next x is equal to minus 53 upon 9 and multiplied by 3. Now we get 3 1 are 3 and 3 3 are 9. So we get the result as x is equal to minus 53 upon 9. Sorry, 3. Therefore, minus 53 upon 3 is the right solution. Okay, student. So I hope it is clear. Now let's check the solution. For the solution, we have to substitute x is equal to minus 53 upon 3 in the original question. So just substitute here. We get minus 53 upon 3 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay, so here we get minus 53 upon 3, that is the value of x, and multiplied by 3, that is the given in the question. So here we get minus 53 upon 9 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 9, and this will be equal to, this implies that minus 53 plus 6 9 are 54 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 9. So 54 minus 53 will equal to 1. Therefore we get 1 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 9, which implies that left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means that our solution is true, which shows that our solution is true. So student, in this way we can solve various questions that given in your practice book. So I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then please mention a comment in the comment section. I will clear in the next video. Till then, goodbye.